Mali
Karimnagar.
start.
My name is Nikita. I'm from Karimnagar district. And our exhibit name is Sand Bunker. Now I'm going to say. Now I'm going to say a small introduction about our bunker. Coming to our bunker, usually we will dig the material from different type of mines, but nowadays we are using the manpower and dumpers. But coming to that, if you use the manpower, it takes more time and it is very expensive because we should keep the cost for the sand. And next, coming to it needs more of labors. So as these reasons we kept in mind, as a Vishanti students, we want to introduce a machine and that should be in the range of less expensive and it should need only less labors. So concluding all these reasons, at last our hard work gave us a sand bunker. I will say example, if it does not fill that mines, we will face the problems. Recently in Chile country, some of the workers digged the gold outside and they went off. After that, due to the they are not filling, 32 members nearly fell in that mine and they stayed about 16 days. So as to solve this all problems, we should need a machine like this. Coming to the explanation.
My name is Sharanya. I am giving the explanation. Before starting this sand bunker, there is an alert alarm which glows with beep sound. By listening that sound, if any worker is nearer to the bunker, moves away from the bunker as to avoid the danger causing by this bunker. After that, the truck carries sand from sand storage point and it discharges it at sand discharger 1. This sand automatically falls into the sand belt. This sand belt, with the help of electricity, moves towards the sand discharger 2. In between there is an aluminium plate which separates the rupture. Here rupture means sticks and pebbles and allows the pure sand to fall into the sand discharger number 2. Then the water present in the tank mix up with the pure sand and this mixture is used to fill the empty mines. After reaching certain point nearer to the empty mines, the water which we utilize here is separated through another pipe. Why? Because if water and sand is mixed, there is no stability in that mixture because water is in liquid form. And nowadays sand is so expensive. So as to cover that, we are bringing the sand from Singareni mines. In Singareni mines, 3 overburden layers appear, which is wastage for them. From that we are filtering this sand and we are using here, and we are also separating the rupture. This rupture is used for construction purpose. And coming to the water, nowadays our major problem is scarcity of water. And we are getting that water from Singareni mines. If that wastewater rate increases, it leads to many problems. So as to avoid that problem and this, we are using that water here. Thank you.